Hey guys, do you want to enhance the sound of your 2019 to 2024 Bose amplified Silverado or Sierra? Stick around and I'll tell you about the new OEM integrated sound package from Metra Electronics. Hey guys, Shay here from Metra Electronics. Today, I'm here to tell you how Metra collaborated with Vibe Audio out of the UK to create a state-of-the-art plug-and-play audio system for your 2019 to 2024 Bose amplified Sierra and Silverado. This is the GM-PPKT-1. This kit is engineered to seamlessly integrate into your OE locations without any modifications. Now this kit gives you everything you need for the install. We start with a CNC cut amp rack specifically designed to mount to the OE bolt locations behind the rear seat. You get a full T-Spec amp wiring kit. You get two Vibe 4-channel Class D amplifiers, a pre-tuned Access AX DSPX EATH1 DSP with plug-and-play integration harnessing. And don't forget the detailed step-by-step instructions making installation a breeze. This kit will bring your listening experience to a whole new level. You're going to get 3 pairs of speakers, a 2.75 pair of dash speakers, a pair of 6x9 front door speakers, and a pair of 6.5-inch rear door speakers, and all the included needed speaker harnesses, adapter plates for the install. You're also going to get a loaded 10-inch down-firing ported enclosure tuned to 36 Hz. So there it is, the GM PPKT-1 for your 2019 to 2024 Sierra and Silverado. For more information on this audio package and other audio packages available from Metra, log on to our website at metraonline.com.